My name is Greg Gillis-Smith, and I'm a teacher in high school at Oaks Christian School down in Southern California, and I just completed the 5-day course in Switch Labs to build this car. Learning a lot in the mornings, theory of battery motor operation, EV vehicles and things, and then every afternoon we would spend building, and so we were able to experience it hands-on and know what we were. So I like the curriculum opportunities here and the hands-on. So it's really motivational, it's relevant to today's kids, so I'm excited to implement this program at our school.
Raj Dillon from Saddleback College in Mission Viejo. Invaluable. The last week it went so fast, but there's so much to learn, and if you want to progress your students or encourage your students what's going to be out there in the next 10 to 15 years, you've got to come and do this class.
So actually it turned out that the class was much better than at least we had anticipated. We've seen 3 or 4 different uses that we can use the chassis for. Alignment chop, brakes, alignment, suspension, computer controls. We can do a lot of things with that one platform. So we're enthused and we would like to add one right to our budget.